Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is a brief guidance to you for making the self evaluation checklist. ठीक है, Miss Isra ने मुझसे एक format मांगा था. She asked me to give a format for the self evaluation. For that, I will use this video as a guidance as for that as well, and also to show you how you're going to take out the self evaluation checklist using GPT, as well as how you are going to do OCR to take text out of the book. Now, this is the grade 6 book which I have in front of me. Please ignore the background noise. I hope you can hear me clearly. If I want, for example, all this text, look, the topic is chapter 2, managing data, and topic 2.1, capturing data. And we have a box which says we are going to. And this is the same across all grades. Whenever there is a topic starting, we have a few bulleted points like this, which give the student an idea of the learning objective. So I'm going to take the snipping tool and I'm going to take this, a snip of this. I've got the snip with me. Now I'm just going to simply click on copy and go to Google, and I will write lens.google.com. Now a box is going to appear which says drag any image here or upload a file. I'm pressing Ctrl V to paste the image which I had. As you can see, the image has been pasted in the box, and you can see that the text has been highlighted with a lighter color of green. If I take my cursor here, I can highlight the text now because it has done optical character recognition. It has now converted it into text. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to come down in this document which I was preparing for you guys. I'm simply going to paste it, right? Now that I have the text which was in the book in the form of a text, you can see how easy it is to pick up text from the book, right? But when you're putting this in the form of instruction material inside the booklet, you have to put this inside GPT and turn it into a slightly different text because of copyright issues. So if I went to GPT to do this, I would go into a new chat and I would say, I would paste the text again and I would say, change the language of the above text into so that my 6th grade students can easily understand it. Now let's see what GPT does. Learn about the different computer tools we can use. बात वही है, see, identify the different computing tools that you can use in a statistical investigation, but the language has been slightly altered. So इस तरह से आप copy paste करते जाएंगे text को, ठीक है? Now let's come to this. I've already done something here. So instead of doing it right from the start, I'm going to show you how GPT has done this work for me, right? So I pasted these same learning objectives over here. And I said to GPT, convert, for example, these objectives into a self-evaluation checklist for my 6th grade class. Keep it as simple as possible. That was the prompt I gave. So it converted it into 4 simple checklist-shaped boxes. And it said, I can identify different computing tools used in a statistical investigation. I can explain how to plan a statistical. It starts with I can. Okay, I can understand and collect continuous data. I can design a form to collect continuous data. और इसका एक format भी मैंने उसको कहा था, turn it into a reusable template for all grades. So it gave me this template. I'm going to be sharing this template with you. But what you're going to do is that you're going to use this 3 to 4 point template and you're going to put it at the end of each topic. If anything is still unclear, please, you can contact me and I will help you sort that out. So what we learned in this video was how to do OCR with the Google Lens and how to convert these learning objectives in the first page of the book into a self-evaluation checklist.